ciyaaryahan Soomaaliya ayaa markii ugu horeysay guul weyn ka gaadhay ciyaarta loo yaqaano kickboxing-ka isagoo ku ciyaarayay UFC-da dalka Maraykanka. Ciyaaryahanka magaciisa waxaa la yidhaahdaa Shafiic Faarax, inkastoo markii hore cunaha la iskaga duubay oo cabaar lala galgashay, haddana markii dambe guushu isaga ay raacday, sidanaanay u dhacday.
Oh, nice high kick. Yeah. The Somali sniper has thrown a nice variety of strikes here. Has certainly been the busier of the two in this third round. But does he find himself down 2 rounds going in? That is the question, and this one comes to a close.
I thought the Somali sniper was able to be a lot more active in that third round, and he was bringing the fight. He was able to land. Both these guys are raising their hands because they both feel like they're the winners of
the fighters take the center of the cage. Take it away, Rain.
After 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Felicia O scores this 30-27. Rafael Davis, 30-27. And Chris Grail, 29-28. For your winner, by unanimous decision, out of the red corner,
Somali sniper took aim with the most meaningful strikes in the fight there in that third round. Might have been enough. And the Schmo standing by to get a word.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with your winner with the Somali sniper, Shafi. Shafi, you got the victory, not a highlight reel knockout. You went to the judges' scorecards. How do you feel about your performance?
daawadee haddii aad hore noola joogtay waad ku mahadsantay haddii kalena nagu soo biirsi muuqaalada xiisaha badan leenalka ku soo gudjira inaad qayb uga noqoto lana wadaaga saxaabtaada aad baad u mahadsan tahay